Hello. In this video we're going to be looking at printing barcodes. We're going to have several videos around barcodes. In this one it'll be a basic barcode and we're going to use the P-Touch editor. First, click on the retail use. And as you see, there's several options for barcodes. We're just going to click on the basic one. You can double check on the left for media, make sure it's the right size for what you're printing. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Now the nice thing about using the P-Touch, you can create different formats without buying any extra software or licensing any extra fonts. To do so, click the arrow for the select tool, double click on the barcode, and then you can update the text. If what you need is a different protocol or barcode format, click on the protocol tab and select what you need, whether it's UPC, code 39, QR code, whatever the need is. It's all built right here into the software. It's pretty nice. Right now we're looking at the QR code because I can type whatever I want and throw it in here just so I can show you how the software works. Now this barcode is a little bit big, so we can resize it to fit. And that's about it. Now we have the barcode and we can add some text to the side here if we need. And we have some gibberish there. I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. All right, now we can print, and you can set your cut settings however you like it and the quantity, and you're good to go. It's pretty straightforward as long as you know the format you need. I won't get into the different types of barcode formats because there are so many and there are a lot of resources out there that can do a lot better than I can. In the next video, we're going to cover using outside software to work with the P-Touch editor. Be sure to subscribe to follow along the different methods that we use. And if this helped you in any kind of way, please comment below and let me know. If you have any questions, please comment below and let us know. Please do like it if it did help or you do like the content. And please check out the description and head over to our website to see what type of products we have and use that code in the description to save a bit of money. See you next time.